everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting the vlog a bit late kasi yung umaga ang dami ko lang inasikaso na work and then I just finished filming a video. Yay! And Mark's here. We're gonna have dinner. Yep, dinner time na guys. By the way, the winner still hasn't like emailed me at all. So Michelle Nugid, yung prize mo nandito na. Please do email me kasi if you don't send me a message by tomorrow, we'll have to pick another winner. So, if daily watcher ka naman ng vlogs, dapat alam mo na nanalo ka na, diba? Buhangga yun. So, yeah, I'm gonna wait for your email. So, tonight we're gonna have Singaporean food because I told Mark that I'm craving for laksa. Uber is on its way. Tapos, ano yun? Ano ba? Bugis? Quezon City. So, yun ang bagong ano namin ni Mark. Bagong gusto namin talaga sa may Banawe area kasi ang daming food. Tinanggal ko yung makeup ko, yung eyeshadow, tsaka ano. So, oh, and I'm wearing this. Yung comfy pants. I love it. Di ba, Bi? Parang pajama. So cute. Do you guys remember this? Matagal na, Bi, di ba? Binili ni Mark. Classic Lala Milk Chocolate. And then gusto ko rin to kasi binili sa atin ni Joyce sa isang araw. Ang sarap. Yema. Sarap to, Bi. Yema.
Hindi ko pa na-try yung yema dyan.
Sarap. We're here guys, Bugis. Baka bago to. Soft opening eh, no? Uy! Yep. Hi, B! We're seated na here. Ang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Super duper daming tao. And we actually replaced our orders here. Nasi goreng, laksa, yung mga street food na mga ganito, ano ba? Chicken satay. Ang tao as in full house. Nagano kami, nagpila kami. Willing to wait kasi sa sobrang laksa. Here is the laksa, guys. Oh my gosh. Yummy, 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 yummy. Tapos may ano pa, usok. Tapos ito yung mga fried stuff namin. This is fish cake. We have lobster. We have chicken satay. Yummy. Ganito ka. We have the fried noodles here. Okay, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Yan, guys. OMG. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ganito yung nakain ko sa Bohol, pero ano lang siya, hindi siya legit. So, we have the legit food over her. Yeah. Smile. Ayan, we have the nasi goreng rice over here and then we ordered tea.
Dami pala ng food.
True, ang dami order. Okay lang yan. Dami, 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 dami. Try it, baby. Sarap, no? Ang-hang. Super sarap yung fish cake nila, no? We have the soy garlic chicken over here. Tapos si Mark nag-order ng lobster na may cheese, no? Lobster cheese something. O, tikman mo, Bi, para i-vlog kita. Sarap? So far, we're loving everything. As in, sarap lahat. Bongga. So, guys, 1 to 3, go.
Ba't magsasolvers pa ako?
Yes, 1 to 3, go. Okay, B, anong manarecommend mo sa Bugis?
Yung first thing, laksa.
Laksa talaga, no?
Mahal siya.
Masarap sobra. Tapos, ang sarap din ng mga...
Yung mga finger nasa stick.
Ano favorite mo? Gusto lahat eh.
Yung ano, yung mga stick, yung nasa stick.
Stick talaga. good na order yung laksa, yung mga nasa steak. Pero hindi ko nagustuhan yung ano, yung soy chicken. For me, hindi ganun ka-okay. Tapos, sarap naman lahat. And so full. We're gonna have dessert at Conti's Robinson's Magnolia. Now here at Robinson's Magnolia at Conti's for having dessert. Favorite namin ni Mark talaga dito yung dessert ng Conti's. Ano yung favorite mo dito?
Turtle pie.
Ano pa?
Yun pa lang na-try. Ay, ano? Yung molten.
Tsaka mango bravo?
No.
Ako favorite ko mango bravo.
Kasi yun sila.
Hindi masarap kaya talaga.
Hindi ko tayo. Hindi kami yun sa mga ganong cake yung maasim.
Gano? Hindi kaya maasim. Anong maasim doon?
Yung mango.
B.
Ah.
B. We have Sans Rival, guys. Yumminess. Ano sa'yo, B?
Chocolate mouse.
Chocolate mousse. Very basic.
Mousse.
It's very basic. Back home, guys. Nag-take out kami ni Mark ng cake. Anong cake take out natin, B? Come here. Nagustuhan ni Mark yung ano, yung Sans Rival. Anyway, it's a short vlog. Kasi, wala lang. So, Michelle Nugid, please comment down or email mo na ako para malaman ko kung saan ko i-ship yung golden face mask mo, okay? Ano pa ba? That's it, guys. Are we gonna say goodnight now? By the way, inulit ko pala to. Inulit ko to. Yung paglagay ng bag wrap sa handle pala, bongga. I love it. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Tomorrow, we're gonna go eat with the family with Mark. O, sige nga, kataan mo ng mga tricks mo. O, ba't nawala yung tricks mo?
No.
Ay, nako. Bumili ako ng taho.
Taho.
I love taho. Okay. Okay na, B?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Aray!
Wow. Bye.
Bye.